ain't got a butt. I can get a toy. Yeah, you just wanna party. You just wanna lap dance. You just wanna pop up on these pants like you the Batman. You just wanna butt up in the sun with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone. I'm just talking comfort, shy. I ain't giving nothing, you got comfort, shy. I got plenty that you ain't got run for, shy. Got that extra when he in love with my body. Get into it, pump out with you. Get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to show you this unit by Kiss Hair, and the reason I'm so excited is because I just went from a week or so of wearing a full frontal and I really needed a break, but I did not want to wear a closure that comes off. I wanted to install something that was going to be low maintenance but that was going to stay on my head. That was very important to me. So this is all of the stuff that came in my package, and this is the unit, you guys. I am going with this 5x5 body wave closure from Kiss Hair. I have already bleached it. I've done everything to make it look really natural and it is stunning. One thing about this unit, I got a lot of hair, okay? Even if you go to the beginning of the video, you will see how long this is for a 22 inch. It sits really low on me, and yeah, I did everything that I needed to do to customize the closure, and this is what I ended up doing to just make it fit my head. I'm going to further go in and customize before I style, and I'm going in with this lace tint from the San, and it basically comes with a tint on one side and a brush on the other, so I'm basically just making it match my skin tone so that the install is seamless. I then went in with a skin colored or darker brown wig cap, and I'm going in with my hot comb because I wanted the hair to fall back a little bit so that I can see what I'm doing. I know you can see that that line is not in the middle of the closure, and I'm going to fix that. I definitely wanted to look very natural, so that's why I'm taking all this extra stuff and precaution to make sure that it looks good. So I'm going to fix that and get the line in the middle because I did want to just go for a simple middle part, you know? And yeah, I go in with my hot comb a lot because I really wanted this to sit flat. I like the 5x5 concept because you really do get a frontal vibe, but you get a closure convenience. Do you know what I mean? You can choose if you want to stick, glue down a 5x5. I like to glue them down because you don't have, the side of your head towards your ears. When you have a frontal, I feel like that's the first place that starts to lift, and it's so irritating. And I just went through that recently with my birthday hair and all the festivities, and it was lifting on the sides, and I was like, okay, I want the vibes. I still want, a wig and an install, but I really don't want to deal with reinstallation, gluing back down, all of that. So that's why my next best choice was a 5x5, and I'm glad that I did because I wore this for a while and I really enjoyed it. I really did. And yeah, I'm excited to go into the body wave vibe. I'm still in the body wave vibe. I feel like I'm such a body wave girl, okay? So once I have cut off the lace, I'm gonna go in with very thin layers of got2b glue. I was wearing the frontal that I had before. I had lace for the first time. It's great, it is, but I'm a got2b girl. I am a glueless girl. I like the glueless vibe. I like the option of just hopping in the shower and letting the steam take off my wig. Literally, it was a lot. It was great, but it was a lot. So I'm glad to be back on my got2b vibe. And yeah, all I did was just place my lace there on the tackiness of the glue, use a rat tail comb to push down the lace, and yeah, I'm enjoying it, guys. I'm enjoying the vibes. I love have you guys tried it? Have you guys tried a 5x5? I know they're not brand new, but I don't know a lot of people that have 5x5s. I think there's such a nice in between a frontal and a closure. I like closures because you can just take them off, but I wanted something that I could wake up with and I didn't have to do too much. Closures are just a bit much when it comes to styling. That's my issue with them. So yeah, then I put that elastic band on that I love, and this is me showing you that this sits more like a 24 inch. 22 inches, but it sits more like a 24, 26 inch on me. And then what I ended up doing was I continued to style my hair, but what I wanted to do was give myself these easy breezy, heatless, wavy curls. If you watch my vlog, you know the system, you know what I'm doing over here. But this is basically a heatless way to curl your body wave hair, and I adore it. I love this method. I think it's so good. I did not keep this in for a long time. I did sleep in this after recording this video, but I didn't keep it in for a long time, and you will see the wavy kind of bohemian curl that it gave me, and I'm in love. Guys, this hair, I got so much hair on this wig, like more hair for my buck. So I will definitely leave the link to this wig, and I will put the link to Whiskers Hair as well in the description box so that you can check it out. I love their prices, and I think you will love them too. So let me know, guys, are you feeling the long middle part body wave? I definitely am. I will leave all the details for you guys, and yeah, I will see you in my next video, guys. I'm in love with the 5x5. I recommend everybody have at least one in their collection.